Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Facebook Live. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior video channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that pertains to affiliate marketing that almost nobody ever talks about. And chances are this is affecting you right now and is affecting the majority of the people in this marketplace. If this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, share this out to the world. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and Rumble so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So this thing that most people are not talking about with affiliate marketing. Stop me if you've ever done this before on your own journey, regardless if you're a newbie or if you're a seasoned veteran. Have you ever heard, no matter who's the CEO of an affiliate marketing company, or maybe you have heard this from your coaches and mentors, have you ever heard them say that get to all the trainings, get to all the live events, and when you do that, you're showing up for success and you're on your way to generating the kinds of results and creating the freedom lifestyle that you desire? Maybe not in those exact words, but have you ever heard them, or your coaches or mentors, or if you have only one, have you ever heard him or her tell you that it's essential to attend all the trainings, to attend all the live events? Well, let me share with you a story. So in the beginning, when I got started back in summer of 2016 on this affiliate marketing journey, that's what I was entirely doing. I was attending all the training calls, all the coaching calls, even getting to most, if not all, the live events. And that's what I was doing for the majority of the first 2 years on my own marketing journey. And yes, I will say that the content, the value that is provided at those events is very valuable. I am not dismissing that. However, there's a problem that I noticed with just only going to all the trainings, all the coaching calls, all the live events. There's just one problem that I noticed. I noticed that if you look around you, if you look at, and this is also something that I was observing myself too, I noticed that for myself, even though I was attending all the trainings, all the coaching calls, all the live events, I noticed that I wasn't seeing the kind of results that I wanted in my business. Yeah, I may have been implementing a few things here and there from what I learned from some of the trainings and the coaching calls and even some of the live events, but I wasn't seeing any serious level of results, and I wasn't getting the kind of results that one would think that they would get in such a short amount of time. And so I had to ask myself, okay, what is it that I'm missing? Because I'm showing up for success like they say, but I'm not getting the results that I want. Why is that? It is because I didn't have the basic foundation. I didn't know exactly what to do. Yeah, all these coaching calls, all these training calls, even the live events can absolutely be valuable. However, if you don't have the basic foundation in place, then you're pretty much just all over the place and spreading yourself too thin. So this gets me to telling you in relation to my story that don't feel like you have to attend every single training, every single live event, every single coaching call. I'll tell you why. The reason why I emphasize on this is because I don't want you to feel like you have to do everything all at once. Now, in the very beginning, if you're a newbie and you're just getting started, it's very good to attend those trainings, those coaching calls. However, if that's all that you're doing, and even though you may be taking some action here and there, but you're not really, generating the kinds of results and taking as much action in your business like you should be, well, then you're spreading yourself too thin, and chances are you're going to get stuck in overwhelm, or what is termed analysis paralysis, and you're going to feel like you don't know what to do, and chances are you might just quit. Now, I've seen this with a lot of people that I'm surrounded by in the kind of industry that I'm in, or should we say the affiliate marketing industry. I see people, the same kinds of people, attend all the coaching calls, all the trainings, but yet they don't actually get the kind of results that they should be doing. And here's the crazy part. These are like more or less the same people that I see attending all the live events, all the coaching calls, all the trainings, but they're not getting the level of results. And it's because they don't know what to do. If this sounds very much like you right now, I totally understand how you feel. I totally understand that it's just overwhelming, and it's just, you don't know what the heck to do. You know that you should be taking action, but you don't know what you should be focusing on. So here's my suggestion to you. If you are a newbie in this industry, whatever you're promoting right now, go to the trainings, but don't feel like you have to attend every single one of them. Because the great thing about this industry is that you don't have to have everything figured out from the start. Just focus on one area that you want to work on in your marketing, and just get good at that one thing until you generate results with that one thing. Then you can go on and learn the next skill set that you can build upon. Like, for example, right now for you, it might just be learning how to brand yourself. So go to the trainings that talk about how to brand yourself. Show up to those trainings and then jot down the notes and implement what you learn. And don't focus on anything else but that. Or for you, it might be that you should attend the training calls on traffic, because maybe traffic's the one that you're struggling with in your business. And so attend all those trainings that you possibly can on traffic, and then just not only take notes on it and then repeat on watching it however many times that you feel necessary, but you want to go ahead and implement what you learn from that training, but don't feel like you have to focus on also something else as well. Just keep it simple. Just focus on one thing. Learn about that one thing, master that one thing, get good at that one thing. Just implement until you generate the level of results that you're looking for, and then just move forward to the next skill set that you want to master. Because I will tell you this, if you feel like you have to attend all the training calls, all the coaching calls, and all the live events, they can be very beneficial. But if you're just getting started, I would highly recommend that you just keep it simple for yourself. Just focus on mastering that one area you want to focus on for your marketing. Because if you are learning 10 different things all at once, it's not going to work. You're not going to feel like you're going to take action on anything. You're going to feel unmotivated. You're going to feel intimidated. You're going to feel stuck in analysis paralysis, and you're not going to get anything achieved. So if you really want to move forward in your own journey, focus on one area to learn. Just devote your whole attention and time into that. Get good at it by implementing it after you learn about it. And then once you generate the level of results, then you can move on to the next step. I am no way berating the coaching calls, the trainings, or any of the live events. I think they are very valuable. I have been to a lot of them, but I'm just telling you from the heart that don't spread yourself too thin. Just get good at that one area that you need to focus on for your marketing. And then when you do that and then you operate that way, you're gonna find it's gonna be a lot easier for you in your own marketing journey going forward. I trust you got a ton of value out of this video. And if you're curious to know what is it that I got going on in my business right now, well, here's what I want you to do if you're watching from the Facebook Live. Send me a message over Messenger and I'll be sure to hook you up with the details for some great online marketing resources that you can get involved in. If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, this is what I would like you to do. There will be links down below in the video description for some great online marketing resources that you can get involved in. Click the one that you feel best suits you. You'll be taken to a page where you can fill in your best name and email. You'll be redirected to a page after that with a video presentation on it. Watch that video presentation all the way through. Lock in your spot. Get positioned as soon as possible so that you can be on your way to building the lifestyle of your dreams and moving forward in your own marketing journey. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.